Listen to that.
Oh, hitting the barn.
It's hitting something over there. It's really...
Oh, jeez. Oh,
Look at the ant.
wow.
There's an anthill right there. It's like, it's going to get totally creamed.
Oh, look at that. Oh, he's going to kill me.
Listen to the sound. Hey?
We got to replace that because we got a lot of chases this week. This is what the hail did. Yeah. Nice.
Oh.
At least we still have the windshield. For now. Core's coming.
Your buddy.
I want to hear it.
Where's your bunny rabbit? Please.
Yikes.
Oh, sorry. No, just call it the dead cat. I don't know what you're talking about.
Whoa. Yeah, I'm not running out. Oh!
What's that?
Oh, that one bounced into the...
Find it, I want one. I'll put it in my Mountain Dew. Oh, we gotta go ahead.
Look at him bouncing in the field.
Go ahead.